Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. My name is John. Usually what we do on this channel is just all about saving, looking for promotions, discounts, buying cheap items, stuff like that. On and off, I'll do like an unbox on some of the items that I purchased myself, or sometimes I do get like endorsement, or they send me items to review or to unbox. And occasionally I will do maintenance on my car. So those are the type of videos that I will be producing. So if that's something that you're interested, stay tuned. Okay. So in this video, first off, this is a Ryobi. This one regular price is $500.91. Okay, but for now, you can buy it for $179. Mm, this is for with $179 you get. This is what you get here: um, a drill, impact driver, and a saw, uh, the LED light, two batteries, charger, and a tool bag. That's a pretty good deal. Because usually, if you get like the high-end tool like Milwaukee or DeWalt, like $179, that's pretty much you're gonna buy like maybe one tool with the battery and a charger. Okay, or sometimes just the tool itself. But this one here, you can see you can either buy it and ship it to the store, or you have ship it to your house. You have the option to. And as we look at the review, it's almost 5 out of 5 stars. That's a lot of reviews, 1900s. Okay, so I don't have Ryobi. I only have DeWalt, uh, Rigid, and right now I just bought a couple of Milwaukee tools because it's on sale. But mainly I just like Rigid because for one, it's a little bit cheaper than the other two, and it also has lifetime warranty. Okay, so if that's something that you're interested, check my other videos. I did a couple of videos on the lifetime warranty on the batteries and on the tool itself. Um, Other brands, they usually have about 3 to 5 years on the warranty. Okay, so let's see what else. We see that one. That one. Okay, that's pretty much it. Okay, and with Ryobi 18 volt, they have many different type of tools that it's interchangeable. Okay, so here you can see it works with a bunch of them. Okay, so this I think it's mainly for like it's not like professional, but if you're just looking for do something like at home, stuff around the house, I think this one has 3 years warranty. Okay, so which is a lot of savings. Okay, and here I'm going to show you another one right here. This is in Milwaukee. Right now, this is if you buy the Milwaukee M12 field, the saw right here, its regular price is $179. Okay, but if it's right now, so you buy one tool and you add the other one for free, which is I added this one right here, and then it breaks down to the prices here. So regular price for this one is $149. However, if you buy the two together, they break up the price, and this one here, this one does come with the bag, the charger, the battery, and the tool itself. It comes out to be $97.69. And this one here, the ratchet, regular price is $149. However, if you combine them together, you add it to the cart together, it's come out to be $81.31. So here's the kick. What I do is I just whatever item that you want. So for example, I usually if I like this item here and I want to get this price here, I'll just click on store pickup, and then this one I just have it shipped to home. Okay, and once you make the purchase and you pay and everything, they're gonna give you confirmations. So once you get the confirmations that the item is usually ready for pickup, for my Home Depot, they're pretty quick. From all my experiences, usually within less than an hour, and you would get the notification. But the last item that I purchased, it took them less than 15 minutes, and I got the note, the email that my item is ready for pickup. Once you get that, you can just go ahead and go back into your account, and then you just do the cancellation, this one. So then you only be charged for this item, which is $97.69, which is a great deal. Okay. Another one that I purchased or that I look at. So this is the one that I purchased. Okay, this one is come like a combo kit with the drill, with the impact. Has two batteries. Actually, here it is. Okay, so if you were to do this, I'm gonna show it to you guys real quick. You can click on. Okay, what happened? Let's see what happened. Did it free? Okay, so usually we wanna pick the highest value. So it would be this one, 149. So we add them to the cart. Okay, now you can see the price right here. Okay, it breaks it down to uh, this whole kit, instead of 229, it comes down to be 138. And this one, if you buy separately, 149, but now it's 119. Okay, so like I said, you do the same procedure. You have this item tier, store pickup, and this ship to home. Once you get the notification that this is ready for pickup, go ahead and do the cancel on this one. You will only be charged for this, which is a great deal. I bought it myself, and I think for $130 some for this, it's an awesome kit. Okay, the review is great, everything's great. Okay, so if you guys have any questions, leave in the comment below. Other than that, take care, and I'll see you guys in the next video.